Hi, superstars. It is time for English. We are on Unit 2, Week 3, World of Bugs. Before we talk about another bug, I want to count and pronounce some syllables with you. Let's look at this word. Let's say it together. Water. We can break the word water into parts, and we can count the parts or the syllables in this word. So let's say the word and clap. Water. How many parts does water have? 2. Let's say it again. Water. So we can break the word into 2 parts. Water. So that means it has 2 syllables. All right, let's say and count another word. This is a long word. Okay. We are going to say it and count the parts. The word is butterfly. All right, you're going to clap with me and say butterfly, but we're going to count the syllables or the parts. Butterfly. Let's do it one more time. Butterfly. How many claps did you hear? Butterfly. 3. So we can break butterfly. 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 So there is 3 syllables in butterfly. We can actually probably go over here and do butterfly. So we can actually erase this one. Butterfly. 3 syllables in butterfly. Okay. Let's clap the parts of this word. This word is picture. Picture. Let's clap as we say it. Picture. How many syllables does this word have? Picture. Did you hear 2? You are correct. Picture. It has 2 syllables. All right, let's now clap and read this word. 2. All right, let's say it and clap. 2. Let's do it again. 2. How many syllables are in this word? 1. We only clapped 1 time. So 2 has 1 syllable. All right, let's do another word. Spout. How many syllables does spout have? Let's read it and clap. Spout. Let's do it one more time. Spout. How many syllables does spout have? 1 syllable. Here's another word. This is window. Let's say it and clap. Window. Let's do it again. Window. Window. How many syllables? 2 syllables. Good job, superstars. Practice your syllables. When you hear a word, count it out and see how many syllables it has. Let's listen to a read aloud, and it is called From Caterpillar to Butterfly. All right, let's listen.
From caterpillar to butterfly. What do you know about butterflies? Many baby animals look a lot like their parents. A baby colt grows up to be a horse. A little cub grows up to be a bear. Do you know what a caterpillar grows up to be? If you said a butterfly, then you are right. A caterpillar looks nothing like its parents. How do caterpillars grow and change into beautiful butterflies? What is the process every butterfly goes through? A butterfly goes through 4 stages or steps in its life. Let's observe each stage. The first stage is the egg. Some butterflies lay eggs in groups, but the monarch butterfly lays just 1 egg at a time. The mother butterfly lays her eggs on plants. Her babies will eat the plants when they hatch. After about a week, the second stage begins. The caterpillar hatches from the egg. It is small and slender. It looks like a worm. The caterpillar is only as long as your fingernail. The caterpillar eats a lot and grows quickly. First, it eats its own eggshell. Then, it feeds on plant leaves. The caterpillar uses its strong jaws to munch on the leaves. It uses other parts of its mouth to smell and taste the food. As the caterpillar grows, it molts or sheds its skin.
Oops, sorry about that. All right, let's listen to that again because I accidentally got out of it.
After about a week, the second stage begins. The caterpillar hatches from the egg. It is small and slender. It looks like a worm. The caterpillar is only as long as your fingernail. The caterpillar eats a lot and grows quickly. First, it eats its own eggshell. Then, it feeds on plant leaves. The caterpillar uses its strong jaws to munch on the leaves. It uses other parts of its mouth to smell and taste the food. As the caterpillar grows, it molts or sheds its skin. This happens 4 or 5 times. After a few weeks, the caterpillar has reached its full size. Now it is ready for the next stage, stage 3.
Okay. This is stage 3.
The third stage is called the pupa. First, the caterpillar attaches itself to a plant. Next, it forms a hard case around itself. The case is called a chrysalis, or a cocoon. The chrysalis keeps the caterpillar safe as it gets ready for the final stage. The pupa stage lasts for many weeks. If you look closely at the pupa, you wouldn't see anything happening. But there is a lot going on inside the chrysalis. The caterpillar is changing and growing. It is becoming a butterfly.
Here's the last stage.
Stage 4 is the last stage. An adult butterfly pushes through the chrysalis and crawls out. At first, the butterfly rests for a while. It is tired and weak, and its wings are still wet. If you are curious, you can watch the butterfly from a safe distance. You can see the beautiful colors on its wings. Finally, the butterfly's wings dry in the sun. It flies away to look for food. After a few weeks, the butterfly is ready to mate. Then she looks for the right plant and lays her eggs. The process begins all over again.
All right. So what is the first step in the process of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly? What is the first step? Do you remember? Right here, the egg. The mother lays an egg. Then what does the caterpillar form after it comes out of this egg? Do you remember? Well, it turns into this caterpillar, and what does it build? Do you remember what this is called? It is called a chrysalis. It's a hard case, and it attaches itself to a plant when it's building this chrysalis. Now it leaves the chrysalis after it transforms from a caterpillar to a butterfly, and it's a beautiful butterfly here, and the process starts all over again. So now this beautiful butterfly will lay an egg on one of the plants. Let's turn to page 24 in your close reading companion, and let's read together. Let's read over here. What bugs do you see? Why does the man wear special clothes? Circle the special clothing. All right, so what bugs do you see here in this illustration? I see bees. Do you see the bees? Look at all of those bees. What do bees make? Honey. Bees are very important to our environment. They do so many good things for the world and for us. They make delicious honey. They keep the beautiful flowers and trees around. So why is this man wearing special clothes? Why do you think he has to wear this special clothing when he goes to get the honey? Well, it's to protect himself from the bees because bees can sting. So he wears protective clothing. Here is his protective clothing. We're going to circle it. He has something on his head. He can see through it, and he's protecting his body so he doesn't get stung. Over here, it says a beekeeper gathers honey from a beehive. So here's the quick tip. It says, I can look for clues in a photo. So remember, the illustrations give us clues. All right, let's look down here. Let's read this together. The beekeeper has special clothing. Why? Why does he have special clothing? What did we say it does? It's for protection from the bees. So the beekeeper has special clothing to protect from the bees. So you're going to write to protect him, and I'm running out of room, from the, you should know that word, bees. So that is why the beekeeper has this special clothing, so he doesn't get stung. All right, make sure your name and date is on the top, first and last name. All right, superstars, have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye.